Merit Cars is proud to offer this 1979 Fiat 124 Spider Pininfarina, recently restored and ready to enjoy. Finished in a stylish brown exterior with tan interior, the Spider combines Italian design flair with affordable classic motoring. The car received a repaint, new dashboard, and new carpets. The engine was refreshed with a new timing belt, while other recent work includes new spark plugs, wires, rotors, alternator, and rebuilt carburetors. The paint presents very well, with only a few minor bubbles. The interior is clean and tidy, and the new convertible top is in excellent condition. The mechanics are solid, the car runs and drives smoothly, the trunk and underside are clean and solid, reflecting careful ownership. This Fiat comes with a boot cover, wheel beauty rims, and booklet. At $9,950, it's an excellent opportunity to acquire a stylish, freshly restored Italian roadster.
Mechanics are in good condition. Car runs and drives well. Engine was gone through and new timing belt installed. Other work includes new spark plugs, new wires, new rotors, new alternator, and rebuilt carburetors.
Don't let his nice Fiat Spider get away. Contact Merit Cars today.